Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.2. Clear? In this question it is given to you a battery of EMF 10 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. Find if the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere. So first let us try to draw this circuit diagram. So in this question it is given to you we can say here we have a battery and battery is having EMF 10 volt. So we can say this one, let's suppose this is a battery and EMF value is given to you, this is 10 volt. Clear? And value of internal resistance, so value of internal resistance, this is given by R equal to 3 ohm. Clear? It is connected to a resistor. So let's suppose I am saying this is connected with an external resistor, this one, and let's suppose this value we have capital R. Clear to you? Yes. Yes. Now, and it is also given current is flowing in this circuit and current we have, this is I, and value of I, this is given to you 0.5 ampere. Clear to everyone? Now what is resistance of this resistor? Clear? What is the resistance of this resistor? Clear? So now our objective in this question is to calculate value of capital R. Clear? So again we can apply here Kirchhoff's law, yes or no? So let's suppose I am starting from this point and I am going in an anti-clockwise direction. Now you can see when I am going through this capital R resistor, it means I am going in the direction of current, yes or no? Direction of current means I am going from higher potential to lower potential. It means we can say I can write like this is equal to minus times of IR. Clear? Now I can say again I am going in the direction of current. Here we have internal resistance, so I can write this is equal to minus times of I small r. Clear? And again we can say we are going from minus or we can say minus plate to plus plate. That means I am going from lower potential to higher potential. Clear? It means I can write here this is equal to plus 10 and this is equal to 0. From here we can write like this, I capital R plus small r, this should be equal to 10. Clear? So I can say capital R plus small r, this is equal to 10 by I. Clear? Okay. So we can say value of I is given to you 0.5 ampere. So capital R plus this is 3. So I can say 10 divided by 0.5. 0.5 we can write like this is 1 by 2. So I can say R plus 3, this is equal to 20. Clear? So from here we can say external resistor, this is given by 17 ohm. Clear? Now what is our next objective? Next objective in this question is to calculate terminal voltage of the battery. Clear? So my dear student, terminal voltage comes into existence when we connect this battery in a circuit. Clear to you? So definitely we can say what is terminal voltage? Terminal voltage is the potential difference that is across this resistor. Clear? Let's suppose if I connect here a voltmeter, so potential difference between this these two ends of this external resistor, we can say this is terminal voltage, or we can say that potential difference between these two ends, this is also terminal voltage. Clear? So directly we can find, if we talk about next part, we can say it is given by IR. Clear to you? So value of I we have, this is 0.5 and this is multiplied with 70. Clear? So from here we can say we are getting here value 8.5 volt. Yes or no? So in this question we are getting value of capital R, external resistance, this is 17 ohm, and value of we can say terminal voltage, this is 8.5 volt. Clear? So this is all about this question.